I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. John Deere, the Illinois-based equipment giant, has unveiled 4 new autonomous machines, currently being tested with a limited number of customers. The company launched its first autonomous machine, a tractor, in 2022. These new machines incorporate an updated technology stack that includes machine vision cameras and AI-enabled algorithms running on embedded computing devices. The set includes 2 tractors, one for large-scale agricultural operations with 16 cameras, and a second machine for pulling an air blast sprayer through fruit and nut orchards with 9 cameras and LiDAR sensing capabilities. The other machines introduced include an autonomous dump truck designed for transporting material around a quarry and a mower for commercial landscaping operations. Humans manage the machines via John Deere Operations Center Mobile, the company's cloud-based platform. By swiping left to right to start, the machine can be started once placed in the appropriate spot. Through an app, users also have access to live video, images, data, and metrics, as well as the ability to adjust speed and other various factors. Illinois-based Zebra Technologies plans to acquire Photoneo, a developer of 3D imaging solutions. Zebra announced the acquisition of the Slovakia-based developer from Photoneo Brightpick Group, located in Kentucky, on December 30th. The Photoneo Brightpick Group will be renamed Brightpick, but will continue operating as a separate entity focused on developing and deploying AI-enabled robots to automate warehouse operations. The move follows Zebra's acquisition in 2022 of Matrix Imaging, based in Montreal, Canada, a machine vision company focusing in technology products like software libraries and frame grabbers. These have since been incorporated into Zebra's machine vision product line. Zebra highlighted its machine vision work with product demos and panel discussions during a press conference in December. For its part, Photoneo differentiates its products with what it refers to as parallel structured light technology. The company says this technology provides high-quality 3D data of moving objects quickly and without distortion. Those qualities make its products ideal for such vision-guided robotic tasks as bin picking, palletizing, and machine assembly. Rotor Technologies, a company specializing in large drone technology, is now in the final stages of development of Sprayhawk, a giant drone designed for agricultural applications including crop spraying. Instead of seats, Sprayhawk is equipped to function and fly remotely. It includes 4 2.9 to 5 megapixel industrial cameras from Allied Vision that feature Sony Pregius global shutter sensors, LiDAR, GPS, and an onboard computer system from NVIDIA GPUs, allowing the pilot to control the craft and all of its functions. Several elements work in synchronization to provide the pilot with the most detailed and useful information possible and as close to real time as possible. The drone has 4 cameras, and simultaneously, the LiDAR and GPS gather and transmit topographical information of the area in which the drone is flying. The data is used to create a backdrop to provide a cohesive view for the pilot and is then streamed over multiple mediums. The Rotor Technologies team says they have already performed numerous successful test flights. Delivery of Sprayhawk drones is expected to begin later this year. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.